If you never had a tikki that's crispy, high protein and loaded with dahi and chutney, you're about to become obsessed. Today I'm making my high protein Moong Dal Tikki Chaat. This entire serving packs over 35 grams of protein and comes in at under 450 calories. So if you're trying to eat more protein without living on protein shakes, this one is for you. At the end of this video, I will show you why recipes like this make fat loss much easier. Let's make it. Start by soaking moong dal for about 2 to 3 hours. Once it is soaked, drain the water and add it to a blender along with some rolled oats. Now blend it into a slightly coarse paste. Don't make it completely smooth because that little bit of texture is what helps the tikkis get nice and crispy. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and add chopped bell peppers, grated low-fat paneer, rice flour and your spices. I am using salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, roasted cumin powder and chaat masala. Mix everything together until you get a thick mixture that's easy to shape. Then take small portions and form them into tikkis. Lightly grease a pan with a little oil and place the tikkis on it one by one. Let them cook until they are golden brown and crispy on one side. Then flip them over and cook the other side until perfectly golden as well. And now comes my favorite part. Place the tikkis in a bowl and pour sweet curd all over them. I use stevia to steven the curd, but you can use any sweetener of your choice. Then add homemade coriander mint chutney, date-imli chutney, and a generous sprinkle of pomegranate. Finish it off with a little chaat masala and roasted cumin powder, and that's it. Crispy tikkis, creamy curd, sweet and tangy chutneys, and over 35 grams of protein in one delicious meal. If you're looking for more high protein versions of food you already love, make sure to subscribe to Slow Cravings for more easy and protein packed recipes. Before you go, here's today's weight loss tip. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to lose weight is cutting out foods they love. The problem is that the more restrictions you create, the harder it becomes to stay consistent. Instead of removing your favorite foods, look for ways to make them more filling and more protein rich. That's exactly what we have done here. Traditional chaat is delicious, but by adding moong dal, oats, and paneer, we have increased the protein significantly while keeping the flavors we love. Remember, successful weight loss isn't about eating perfectly, it's about creating versions of your favorite foods that support your goals. I always use low fat paneer in recipes like this because it gives you a lot of protein for relatively fewer calories. Regular paneer is absolutely fine, but if you're trying to create a calorie deficit while still eating satisfying meals, switching to low fat paneer can make a big difference over time.